Welcome everyone, today we will learn how to import images in Figma. Let's take a frame for this purpose. You can simply adjust the frame according to our needs. Then make some shapes from the Shape tool. Like making a rectangle and circle. After that, go to Shape tool where you find this option, named Image Insert. Select the image. For example, I am taking this image. Now we can see the shapes are getting highlighted. I choose the rectangle to have that image. Once selecting that, we can see the image has been inserted. The other option is the plugin method. Like I have a plugin here on Splash. After selecting this plugin, I want an animal picture. I am just selecting the circle where I want this picture, and let's take this fox for an example. And we can see the image has been inserted. In the circle, the third option is drag and drop on the canvas. And this is the third option of inserting the image. Fill option, we get various options to edit the image. Like saturation, contrast, we can explore this. We can even control the opacity. Like I am taking here 50. If you want the image on the whole canvas, just select the frame and use any of the method. I am using this plugin to have that image. Like I am taking nature and I want this image to be inserted on the canvas. And we can see the image has been inserted. So these were the 3 ways by which we can insert image in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.